This acrylic pour is all about calm movement, cool colors, and letting the paint open naturally. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, building this piece with layers of blue, light blue, lavender, magenta, and green. I will allow the colors to interact and settle. Then I'll finish the painting with a swipe of white acrylic mixed with cell activator. This swipe will gently lift the layers beneath the surface, revealing delicate details and creating natural movement without overpowering the composition. The inspiration for this piece came from wanting to slow things down. I wasn't trying to force a bold statement or a dramatic design. I wanted the colors to breathe and interact naturally. Cool tones have a way of creating calm, and I wanted this painting to feel like a pause, a moment where everything settles and flows without pressure. Sometimes the inspiration isn't about what you see, but how you want the artwork to feel. For this pour, I focused on balance, softness, and letting the paint reveal its own story instead of imposing one. That's what makes fluid art so powerful. You meet the paint where it is, and you allow the process to guide you. For this pour, I used a swipe of white acrylic paint mixed with cell activator to bring the painting together. The goal with this step isn't to cover the colors, but to gently pull them across the surface and reveal what's happening underneath. When the white mixed with cell activator moves over the paint, it interacts with the layer below based on density. That difference allows the colors to open naturally, creating texture in those beautiful details that start to appear as the swipe passes through. Instead of using air, I guided the paint by tilting the canvas. This is the moment where I slow down and simply watch. Watching the colors separate, glide, and reveal hidden details is incredibly satisfying. Each layer has its own voice, but together they create balance. Not every painting needs bold movements. Sometimes the quiet pours, the subtle shifts, and the gentle reveals end up being the most captivating. At first, the paint opened up as small cells, but as I tilted the canvas, those cells began to stretch and connect. That stretching is what transforms them into lacing. The movement pulls the paint outward, thinning the layers and revealing those delicate, web-like details across the surface. As I finish up this painting, I'd love for you to engage with me in the comments. Abstract art is always open to interpretation, and I'm curious of what you see as this painting unfolds. I love how the cool colors naturally create a sense of calm. Blue brings contrast, lavender softens transitions, magenta adds contrast, and green grounds the entire composition. Together, they create harmony without overpowering one another. For this painting, I actually used leftover paint from previous pours. Instead of wasting it, I like to see what the colors want to do when they come together unexpectedly. Sometimes leftover paint creates the most interesting combinations because there's no pressure and no strict plan. As the paint settled, the composition came together naturally, showing soft contrast, beautiful details, and a calm finish feel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.